make friends and friendships that can last a lifetime. And who knows, somewhere in the audience tonight, somewhere in this tournament, may also be a star of tomorrow. Just last evening, in the World Cup final, was one such star who was a member of one of the squads playing last evening. Stars of tomorrow, taking part in this tournament, making friendships. That is the power of football. Now above me, you should see some pictures. The pictures you see are pictures of the Meet the World stars. Some 400 players that are here to take part in this tournament this year. When SDF took our partnership to the Gothia Cup, we also worked with them to start a new tournament, the Meet the World tournament, to enable more people from different parts of the world to come and take part in this tournament. And not only because Gothenburg is the home of SPF, because we have many homes. We are present in over 130 countries around the world. Now what you see in these pictures of the Meet the World stars are also some player cards that we've worked with the Gothia Cup to prepare. Player cards that you can make yourself this week and exchange with one another so you can remember your time here at the Gothia Cup. Now all of you have taken different journeys to get here, but you've all shared one goal: to be here to take part in the Gothia Cup. Let's take the opportunity to look at one of these journeys to the Gothia Cup. To wish you all a truly fantastic week here in Gothenburg. It's my great honour to welcome you here, but also to start the official countdown to Gothia Cup 2014. Welcome, world!
On my way to Hi guys, my name is Chun Bin. I am from South Korea and football players like you. I really expect to meet you soon.